Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Honda CRV sun visor. We'll begin by identifying common problems, such as a sagging or detached visor, to understand if a simple repair or a full replacement is needed. It's important to assess the damage accurately. Then, we'll gather all the essential tools and parts required for a smooth and efficient repair process, ensuring you're well prepared for each step. This initial preparation saves time and effort. To get started, you'll need a few basic tools. A Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver are essential for removing fasteners. A plastic trim removal tool is highly recommended to carefully pry off covers without scratching your interior. Depending on the issue, you might need replacement clips, a new mounting bracket, or even a complete new sun visor assembly. Having these items ready ensures a seamless repair experience for your Honda CRV. Now let's dive into the repair. First, gently remove the old sun visor. This usually involves unscrewing 2 or 3 screws holding it in place. Once removed, carefully inspect the mounting area for any signs of damage or wear, especially around the clips. If you're replacing parts, install the new components. Then, attach the new or repaired visor, making sure it clicks securely into its bracket and feels firm. Don't over-tighten the screws. After installation, it's crucial to test your newly fixed sun visor. Move it through its full range of motion, ensuring it stays firmly in any desired position and doesn't sag. For long-term durability, periodically check the mounting screws for tightness. They can loosen over time. A helpful tip is to apply a tiny amount of blue thread locker to the screws during installation, which helps prevent them from backing out due to vibrations. Enjoy your functional visor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.